Hi everyone, Carol Brightbill. One of my favorite things in a Google Doc is to paste without formatting. If you're going to copy and paste something from an external website or even someone else's document, they would have formatted the text in there. If you look to the right, I have Wikipedia loaded. There are blue hyperlinks that would go to other websites. If I highlight this paragraph and I'm going to copy this, and if I paste it right into a Google Doc, it brings all of those external hyperlinks that are in that doc, and I don't want that. So if I do a right click, I can paste without formatting, and it just pastes the text in there. It makes it nice and clean. Where it really comes in handy is if you've done a lot of formatting in one of your documents and say, let me take this header, I'm going to copy this into this header, paste without formatting, and it left the font, it left the color, it left all the styling that was existing in that Google Doc. So next time, give it a try. You won't have to reformat, or you won't have to remove all the formatting. Paste without formatting. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and have a great day.